Hello everyone, I'm really excited to announce that the SiteKrafter Pro Divi 5 framework course is now live on Divi University. So if you're a member, you can literally go on right now and start accessing this mini course. So to access the course, you have to go over here on the left where it says SiteKrafter Pro course. You click on that and then it takes you into the actual course. But you can also use this top tab. Click here on courses, and this is of course the very first course that I've done. I'll be also working on this Divi 5 course, which is going to be super amazing because as you can see, Divi 5 has so many features and all these are brand new. You know, these were not features that were there in Divi 4. So that's going to be very exciting. But anyway, back to SiteKrafter Pro. So this is the course. So far, there's 4 lessons. I'm uploading lessons right now as we speak. So in order for you to access this, you just need to click on that and make sure you click on enroll on this course. So once you click on that, now you are enrolled. So you can now start going through the course. This is our quick startup guide. You click on that and now it shows you pretty much everything here. You can leave a comment here on the bottom if there's anything that you want to ask or comment about. And if you want to go to the next one, you can just go to module 1 because this one here is the startup guide. You go to module 1, getting started, and there we go. So that's the lesson. Everything is hosted on YouTube, but it's unlisted. Now, there's one here which is very important, which is installing reference and style guide pages. So this pretty much goes through the whole process of doing that. And these are the files you need to download. Okay, you just download these. They are zipped files. You unzip them and then you install them. This will show you step by step how to install the reference page and also the style guide. And then this is how to uninstall SiteKrafter Pro. And then I'm just going to continue adding all these modules here until we have a full functioning course. So you have full access to this. You can go ahead and enroll right now as we speak. So if you're someone that purchased it, it's absolutely free for SiteKrafter users. In fact, it's free for everyone. So you can go ahead and take a look and see how you can start getting to work with it. Anyway, I'll be updating this in the community. Thank you very much for watching and thank you very much for your patience. I really, really appreciate it. Until next time, thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next one. Take care.